everyone, welcome to your Campaign Monitor tutorial video. This video is to teach you how to use Campaign Monitor for the purposes of Sprout E-Mentorship while you are in your role. Before I get into how to use Campaign Monitor, please make sure that you have a login. You would have received or will be receiving an invitation to create a login for Campaign Monitor. This account will only be used by you for you to edit your respective newsletters throughout the program. If you have not received an invitation or you accidentally deleted it or just disappeared or something, please let us know. You can email us at new.studentlife@utoronto.ca, or you can send any of the Student Life team a message on Microsoft Teams. So let's get into it. When you log in, this is the page that will open up. This is the home page. You don't really need to worry about much of the buttons here, like the create a campaign button. If you see here, or if you click here, you'll see all the newsletters that are available. You may see your fellow e-mentors newsletters, including, it includes your newsletter as well. So sorry, if we go back, right, so this is your home page. From here, we recommend you go straight to the top left and click campaigns. Here you can see your newsletters. You may not see it from here. You can also click here to see more, and your newsletter just may be closer to the bottom. To find your newsletter, you can search up your name right here. There I am. That's my newsletter. Our preferred way for you to locate your newsletter is through tags. There. When you use tags, it means that you'll only ever see your own newsletters. Why do we prefer that? It's so that you don't accidentally click or edit any other e-mentors newsletters or any of the general templates that we have in there. So please get into the habit of doing that rather than any other form of searching for your newsletters. When you do click on a newsletter, make sure that it is the right one. It may have your name, but it could be from a newsletter that's from 3 weeks ago or something. So make sure to double check that it is the right one based on the title. You can compare it with the chart that we have in the Sprout E-Mentorship Handbook. It does have the dates as well as the title all in one row. So as long as everything lines up, you're all good. So once we have located our newsletter, right here, look, I've located it, yay. Once you click it, it opens up to this. Again, you don't have to worry about any of these pieces. You don't need to edit this. All you need to worry about is this piece right here. Before you click edit and go in, input your prompt answer and things like that, please make sure that it is the right newsletter that you have clicked. That means your name is here and the title, the correct title, is here. Cool. All right, so now I have checked that it's the right one. I'm gonna go click edit. Excuse me. And then there's more buttons that you don't have to worry about. Yay. For reference though, if you ever end up using Campaign Monitor in the future, these are just elements or components to include in the newsletter. And then these buttons are just there. Great. In the newsletter, you don't need to worry about editing any other section other than this one right here. This is the e-mentor section. This is where your photo will be for the first newsletter, if you're comfortable, and your name will be here as well. It used to be. That's somewhat what it will look like. So once you're here, put your name. And then for the first newsletter, we do ask that you put an introduction here and your answer to the prompt. So this is the prompt, but just have a little intro here because it's their first time meeting you. So it'd be nice to get to know a little bit about you. All right. Now the prompts will always be in bold, and then the text will be just normal text. Please do not, please do not change the formatting of anything on the newsletter, including your section. Please don't change the fonts or the size of the font or anything like that. All of that has already been done for you, so all you really need to worry about is inputting your answers. Same here. No need to worry about the button because we would have already included a hyperlink to your email. Right. So let's say I have done all of that. I have included an image of myself. Let's say I don't want to include an image of myself anymore. You can include an image of your dog or your favorite flower or something. In the following newsletters, we don't expect you to include an image of yourself, but an image or photo of something related to the prompt or your answer to it. Right. Great. So once I've edited those pieces, let's say I'm done, all good, looks great. I'm going to press save and next in the top right corner, and then it sends me back here. And then once you may have seen kind of those green lines moving up here, once those green lines have stopped moving and have disappeared, that means it has been saved. Woohoo. All you need to do is go back to campaigns, maybe double check if you want that it was edited and it was your newsletter that was edited, and then you can log out. If you do accidentally edit someone else's newsletter, please let me know, or let someone in student life know, and we'll go through it together. But yeah, other than that, if you have any concerns about accessing Campaign Monitor or how to use Campaign Monitor, again, email us. You can email my personal email, or you can email the New Student Life email. You can also message me on Teams or other folks in the Student Life team. They can help you there. Right, well, hopefully that was helpful, and that I wasn't talking too fast. And yeah, bye everyone.